What is up, guys? We are back in the next tutorial. In 8 minutes you're gonna learn part 2 of the tutorial. Now we're gonna be learning how to use text first. Now in this, okay, my headphones are acting up, whatever. Okay, so text is like the, just text, plain with simple text. So first what you want to do is you want to normally this is the work plane, but we're just going to make its own thing, There are some things I forgot to clarify in the last video. So yeah. First is text. So text, all you have to do is just put the text thing down. Pretty simple. Just drag the arrow, and then all I have to do is just welcome to Tinkercad tutorial part 2. And then all I have to do is just drag it out, and that's how you use the text. Now that's like a fun feature you can use pretty much on anything for labels, whatever. I made a Super Bowl trophy about like Eagles and Chiefs on it. So another cool thing you can do is okay, so let's say like you're not sure if you're like, oh no, I need to put it down, you're not sure. Remember to look at the y-axis, because it'll say 0 when you're on the ground. And another cool thing is if you put something on the top and you're at this angle or something so you can't really see, you can look at the y-axis and then you look at this and you see like the height, it's 20. So that means when this is at 20, it's right on top of it. And if you look at where it is, it's at 20. And right here you can change the width. So let's say you want a perfect square 70 by 70 by 70. So first you'd have to, I'll just type here, easier, 70, 70, and 70. And I'll make a box. And then the radius, you can just, I don't really use it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. You can make this type of shape, kind of like one of those boxes, like the mystery box that you open it up. Okay, and then the steps, you just drag it out around. It shows like this would just be a rhombus, but the 0 steps is just a full circle. It's pretty cool. Next, I'm probably gonna show how to use. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. There's more things, like for example the star. The reason I don't always use it is because I feel like it's not perfectly centered. You see, it's not perfect. It's not centered. Right, even if you drag it around, it's still never look fully. But this one is fully centered, 100%. You see? Just, pretty cool. Yeah, there's a dice. So with the text, you want to make the dice like white, and then you want little circles, and then you want to put little dots on it to make a die. You can just make these circles and do black. Go here, cylinders, I should say. Go over here. And to know if I'm centered, I could go in here. Oh wait, no, wait, it's not on the work plan, so that won't work. And I just drag it down until you see it like that. And then I just have to center it. sometimes it won't perfectly center because, you know, decimals. When you drag it around, you can't get the perfect decimal, you know. So now we have a one-sided die. Right, we have all these other shapes. But then another thing you can do is you can go to, next I'm going to do design starters. And then you can drag like a present. Or the letter A, you know, thunder, storm cloud, like a cargo box, a blocks or whatever. 5, 1, an odd box, a rounded box. And then creatures, I'm gonna be covering that, and that. And then you can go like, you want a human driving like, get, I don't know, like that. Or like a bobblehead, you know. But yeah. Hold up. No. Okay, and then last, I'm gonna be talking about the vehicles and machines. So in case you want to like make like so let's say you want to make a car, what you can do is you can drag a wheel over, drag another wheel over. You want a 2-wheel for some reason. I want to go back to basic shapes like this. This won't be very detailed, but still, whatever. That, and then like you want like a curved thing up here or whatever. You want like, you know, like the seeing part. You know, you don't just want it like that. That doesn't look cool. You want to curve it. What you can just do, go like this. Take the cylinder piece. Go here. You want to turn it like that, 90 degrees. And then turn the other way, 90 degrees. You just go like that. Go like that. Angle it however you want, and then all you have to do is go like that, and then push out the other side, go like here, and then just put it together like that. Oops, not that. No, I'm good. Right, like all these things together, you know. Alright, it's pretty cool. Alright, so you can just, oh my god. Yeah, whatever, okay, and then, yeah, so, that'll be about it. Hope you guys liked today's Tinkercad tutorial. On shapes, text, and vehicles. Next I'm going to be covering how to use the structures and scenery, and also how to make like designs, like a phone case or something with rulers, and also how to print it. Yeah. Peace.